Freightliner M2 blower motor. Burnt the terminal out before. They ran a ghetto fix through a tiny fuse lead that just burnt. Here's the fuse out of it. That's disgusting. Terrible. That's a whole nother problem in itself. Has a 15 in here, which is wrong. Gonna get replaced with a 30 because that's F2 for the blower motor. Gonna get a new terminal, new fins. Get that ghetto stuff fixed. This is a 08 model. And here's your old school blower motor. Got everything in one plug. Here's your new. Power, ground, wow, power, ground. And then it has in jumper harness that goes in. This guy plugs in there. This connects into there for the speed. This is supposed to connect over here. Some person cut those out so it'll get butt connected and heat shrink instead of that ghetto crap. And fix that. There's your jumper wire. There's your blower motor. The other part numbers are not on the back, but pretty simple. And yeah, there's your fix when it keeps blowing fuses, keeps burning wires. And it's an extremely common problem. If you need it, right here you take off these screws is your cabin filter. Simple, right along this side, very easy. Normally there's a panel over right here that takes 3 screws. There's one, there's one, there's one. All little torque screws just like this. 220 or 225. So there's your fix.